Loretta broke my heart with a letter. She told me she was leaving and her life would be better. Joe left a message on the phone. After the tone, she just left me all alone. Jen said she'd never ever see me again. When I saw her again, she said it again. Damn, met another man. Lisa got amnesia, just forgot who I am. Felicity said there was no electricity. Emily, no chemistry. Fran, Bruce turned out to be a man. Flo had to go, I could not go with the flow. Carol Brown just took a bus out of town. But I'm hoping that you stick around.
He doesn't cook or clean, he's not a good boyfriend material.
We can eat cereal.
You lose interest fast, his relationships never last.
Shut up, girlfriends from the past.
Says he'll do one thing and then he goes and does another thing.
Who organized all of my ex-girlfriends into a choir and got them to sing. I just like to skip through that bit. Shut up, girlfriends from the past. Mimi will no longer see me. Brittany hit me. Paula, Persephone, Stella and Stephanie. There must be 50 ways that lovers have left me. Carol Brown just took a bus out of town. Love is a delicate thing. It can just float away on the breeze.
He said the same thing to me.
How can we ever know we found the right person in this world?
It means he looks at other girls.
Love is a mystery. Oh, it does not follow a rule.
This guy is a fool. He'll always be a boy. He's a man who never grew up.
I think I told you to shut up. Shut up. Mona, you told me you were in a coma. Bruce, you could have told me you were a man when it began. And that very first email, Bruce. Who was